Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video. This is the second day of your 12 days of Waxmas, so a new earwax removal video coming on every day up until Christmas Day. You can see this patient has some very hard dry wax, very blocked up in this ear canal. I've introduced a little bit of olive oil in here. I'm just going to see if we can get a grip. If you watched the video yesterday, you'll know that these harder plugs of wax with this very flat face to it is always more difficult to remove. Now this patient surfs a lot, so they've been using some swim plugs, basically to stop water getting into the ears. And as they've been using that, it's been pushing a lot of this wax deeper in. So we're going to use the Jobson horn now because it's very hard. You can see how much it's actually snapping and it's quite brittle in here. So I'm just working it down the side of this block of wax, trying to get a little bit of purchase onto this left hand side of the plug here. Just snapped a little section off the front, so we're going to aim that a little bit higher now. Now it's difficult to get behind it, so I'm looking to push into the wax. Imagine putting pressure down. You've widened that space that you're putting pressure on, you've broadened it out, so it's not going to feel as uncomfortable for the patient, rather than trying to push it down through a gap between the canal wall and the wax. You can see lots of little bits of hair in here, all dried into that wax, binding it together, causing this real dry, hard plug there. Just slowly working this down the canal. Just slowed the video down a little bit so you can see this coming away. You can see I'm rolling the wax down, and then when I've got it far enough, I can comfortably get the Jobson horn behind. There we are. It's starting to pull away, so quite a big old plug, this one. Olive oil is going to help to slide it across the canal walls a little bit better. There we are. We've rolled it out now to the canal. There we go. You can see the oil that's coated the side, a little bit of dry skin at the base there. So I'm going to pick this up using the suction. It's too hard to actually get the Jobson horn into, so you can see just how big a blockage that was. Patient very relieved to get that out of their ears. If we take a look behind, you can see we've got a bit of swimmer's ear here. See those two narrowings either side? That's where the cold water's been going in, so it's just causing the canal walls then to encroach into the canal. They're actually bony outgrowths, they are, on both sides. So this is the patient's other ear. You can see they've got a very hardened up block of wax in here again. Introduce a little bit of olive oil to help to slide this out of the canal. Just struggling to get a grip on this with the suction tube. Going to go in with a Jobson horn now. So we've gone just above the entrance to the wax. We're going to do the same thing and push into the wax. There we are with the Jobson horn, which gives us a good grip. But you can see it just broke a front section away. So I'm going to aim a little bit deeper and see if we can get over the top of this section and then angle it into the wax again. There we are. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to aim for the harder section of wax at the base of the canal, because if you can get a good grip on that, it will effectively slide this plug out a bit better. But as you can see, it's just teasing it apart. It's pulling away there from that bottom section. So I'm just going to bend this flap of wax here down so we can get a good look at what's going on behind it. So I'm just working along that one canal wall, just disappearing just slightly over the top of the wax. Now we're going to angle this up and draw this out at the same time. So you can see I'm actually drawing the wax down the canal towards the entrance. There we are. I've got a good grip behind. Slowly working this out. We've slowed this video down. Hopefully we'll go back onto the wax. There we are. There you go. So you can see it was quite a large plug that came away. It did come away in one piece this time. Just a little bit of dry skin here at the entrance, so just pick some of this up and tidy that up a little bit. You can see that one little bit there doesn't want to come away. So we'll get a good grip on that now. Just lift it up, give a bit of a wiggle, and off he snaps. There we go. You can see the eardrum there. This is the piece to the left is actually the second ear. So you can see it was actually longer than the first side, but a lot wider. So really big pieces of wax there. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.